Hi, first graders. If you don't know me, my name is Mrs. T, and today we are going to learn all about letters and the sounds that they make in phonics today. So let's look at our I can statement for today, and I want you to repeat after me. Are you ready? Good. I can identify letter names and sounds. Very good repeating after me. All right, let's look at our second I can statement for today. I can correctly form letters. So that's what we're going to learn and accomplish by the time that this lesson is over today. Let's go ahead and look at our first letter. Okay, friends, we are going to learn about 3 letters today. If you look at our picture here, we have a large card here. And on the card is the letter T. So when we see this card, we will say T top T. Your turn, you try. Great. Now, this is the same letter, but it's a smaller version. It's a smaller card. So when we see this, we will also say T top T. Repeat after me. Great. Let's look at the next letter. We have B, bat, B. You try. Good. And B, bat, B. Great job. And last letter is F. We will say F, fun, F, fun, F. You try. Great. And F, fun, F. Great job. Now what we're going to do is you're going to go ahead and get out your large writing grid and you are going to learn how to correctly form each of these letters.
Alright friends, so you should have out on a flat surface a table somewhere this large writing grid so that you can practice writing our 3 letters today. So make sure you have this large writing grid out and your marker. And if you don't, go ahead and pause this video and play it once you have your materials ready. Awesome. Now, we should have learned about this in a previous lesson, so I'm just going to quickly review it with you. If you look over here, there are some pictures here, and these pictures are very important. We need to know the names of each of these lines. So let's look up here. What's this? Yeah, it's a sun and a cloud. Now where is the sun and where are the clouds at? Yeah, they're in the sky. So we call this line the sky line. Now what's this? Yeah, it's a plane, and when planes fly, they fly through the middle of the sky. So we call this dotted line the plane line. Now down here, what is this? Yeah, I see grass, so we call this the grass line. And below the grass, in the dirt, there are worms. Yes, so we call this the worm line. And only a few letters actually touch the worm line here. So let's go ahead and get started with the letter T. Alright, now T is a skyline letter because it starts on the skyline. So go ahead and point with your marker to the skyline. Now go down to the grass line, just like this. All the way down to the grass line and stop. Now cross it on the plane line. Good, now try that a couple more times. Point to the skyline, go down to the grass line, and cross it on the plane line. One more time. Very good job. Alright, now B is also a skyline letter because it starts on the skyline. So go ahead and get your marker and point to the skyline. Now go down to the grass line. Now trace up to the plane line. And around to the grass line. Great job! Wonderful! Let's practice 2 more times. Point to the skyline. Go down to the grass line, trace up to the plane line, and pause, and around to the grass line. Great job, friends! Alright, friends, our last letter is the letter F, and guess what? F is also a skyline letter. So go ahead and point to the skyline and trace back on the skyline just like this. And then way down to the grass line. Great, and then cross it on the plane line. Let's practice that a couple more times. Point to the skyline, trace back on the skyline, and then way down to the grass line. And cross it on the plane line. Very good job, friends. So today we practice learning the letters T, B, and F and their sounds, and you also learned how to correctly form these letters. For your practice today, I want you to practice writing these letters again, take a picture, and upload it to Seesaw. I can't wait to see your hard work. Great job today, friends!